bless you with every single difficult element on a dish that she can.
Maggie, will you do the honours?
Absolutely. The dish you're going to cook today is very country. A chopped terrine and a few other components. Just a few. Golden shallots, bread and butter pickles my way. You've got some little Persian figs, and here, a walnut flatbread.
The girls don't actually realise how difficult the dish is. This is tough. That's why I saved it for Father's Week.
The terrine looks beautiful. It looks scrumptious.
So the terrine has got quite a few ingredients in it. These layers in between the chicken breast are the farce of the chicken leg, the pork belly minced up, and the belly bacon with the herbs and the orange and a few breadcrumbs. Easy. Simple.
So basically you've got farce, breast, farce, breast, farce.
That's right.
And then of course the skin wraps it all together.
The skin is, nature's way of keeping us moist.
The terrine has chicken skin lining it. Chicken skin is one of those things that kind of scare cooks. It's easily ripped. It's just